Hello. I'm from Next Paradigm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to create title control animation in After Effects. So let's get towards the After Effects. Let's start by creating a new composition for this animation, which is going to be of a standard size 1920 by 1080 pixels and 30 frames per second. And take the composition to 10 seconds long. Press the OK. First, create a beautiful background of your choice. Go to Layer. Create a new solid. Write the text that you want. I'm typing the next word. Align the word to the center of the composition. Also, move the anchor point to the center. You can move anchor point to the center by clicking the pan behind tool 2 times with holding control of your keyboard. So now we have our basic title here. Open up its properties. And here you can see there's a tab here called Animate. We can click on this button here. And I'm going to add scale property. And at 0 seconds set the scale to 0%. Open up the range selector and add a keyframe to start. Move forward to about 1.5 seconds and change the start ratio from 0 to 100%. Now we have our basic title animation ready. Again, go to the animator and add another scale property. At the second property of scale, the text is up more. Again, go to range selector. Move the time pin to 10 frames and add the keyframe for the start. Move about 1 second more and change the start to 100%. Again, add more property. Select the animator one. Go to ADD and add the position. And just lower down the position without adding a keyframe. So now each letter is coming from below. This is the nice and easy way to create animation using range selector of animation properties. You can just create your custom animation through using this. That's it for this lesson. Subscribe to our channel and also watch other great tutorials. Thanks for watching.